welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious jalapeno green salsa that goes with everything. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Let's make this amazing jalapeno green salsa. We're gonna need half an onion. We're gonna cube it. We're gonna wake up 4 garlic cloves. Do not omit your garlic cloves. This is gonna be so delicious. It's going to give this sauce an amazing flavor. So here I'm just taking the skin off of the garlic cloves and then I'm gonna put them aside. I'm not gonna dice them because I want them to still be nice and whole so they don't get burned when we are cooking them. So here I'm just going to transfer them to the plate and I'm going to continue with the jalapenos. I have 8 jalapenos in total. I am going to cook them with the seeds, so don't worry about it. They're not going to be so spicy where you cannot enjoy it. I'm adding 8 jalapenos. Remember that the jalapenos is not too spicy. It's going to have a kick, but it's not going to be spicy where you cannot enjoy your green salsa. On a pan, I am adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To this, I'm going to start adding my jalapenos. Incorporate them really good into the oil and then add your onion and garlic. And we're going to saute them until they start getting nice and crispy. We really want the garlic, onion, and jalapenos to start getting nice and golden brown. And I'll show you the step. This salsa is a very easy salsa to make, but yet it goes with everything. You could enjoy it in so many different recipes. Here, they're already getting nice and golden brown. The aroma of this combination of the garlic, onion, and jalapeno is just amazing. It has invaded my kitchen. You could really smell those the green aroma of the jalapeno. And here, once this is done, we are ready to add it into our blender. Look at this. Don't burn them. Make sure that they're just nice and crispy. And then turn off your stove. And let's transfer them to our blender cup with ingredients that you could find in any supermarket. On my blender cup, I'm going to add a bunch of cilantro. Right on the top, I'm adding everything I have on the pan. Garlic, onion, jalapeno. And of course, I'm not leaving anything behind. Even the oil went into this amazing sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You decide how much salt you want to add. You're going to add 3 cups of boiling water. This is going to make the texture not too thick, but yet not too runny. Once this is done, let's blend away for a couple minutes. Let me tell you, this salsa is the favorite here at home. Everybody loves it. We love it adding it to white rice. We love it adding it to our crispy tacos. Oh my God, in so many recipes, you could really enjoy this creamy and delicious jalapeno green salsa. Look at the texture. Let me show you. It's nice and thick, but yet it's nice and smooth. And this is exactly how you want it. You want to make sure that you make this amazing green jalapeno salsa at home. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. It's still nice and hot. Look at this. Taste it to see if it needs a little more salt. To my tasting, this is great. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this green jalapeno salsa. Let me tell you, it comes out perfect every time. And of course, you don't want to dip your tostada in your salsa or else it's going to go rotten. So here I am going to taste and I am going to enjoy. Excuse me. Mm, mm, mm. It's so delicious. It has a little kick, but yet it's not spicy where you cannot enjoy it. Let me tell you, this green jalapeno salsa goes with everything. Mm. If you liked and love this amazing green jalapeno salsa, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.